Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you my Dell Dimension 8400 keyboard restoration on my Canon SD 1400 IS. And you guys think you should probably start using this thing. It's better because iPhone has 12 megapixels and this has 14.1, so yeah, this is a better thing. 1.9. Yeah, 1.9 megapixels more. No, 2.1. I don't know how I'm confused with that. I'm surprised I am. Well, yeah, I would start using this. This is pretty beat up. My aunt would used to use this. This is a $300 camera right here. I'm actually not sure of the date. It's a nice skinny little camera though. I actually might start using it, but then it's pretty beat up because she used it a lot and it would go in her pocket because she's an insurance person, so her job gave it to her. But it works. But you can't really see in there, but it's full of a lot of dirt and stuff. The screen is cracked. See, like a dot right there. So that's why I don't use it. I mean, I did take pictures with it, but okay. Okay. 1 minute. Alright. There's the keyboard from the start. Try not to get too much glare. I'm gonna turn off the light. Wait. Maybe if I catch another angle. Yeah, this is good. Here's the keyboard from the beginning. It's actually pretty blurry. Come on, focus. Focus. Well, it's not focusing. Not very well. This is okay. So, to the next one. See, now you can see how dirty it was. Just drop something. Just showing some of the dirtiest parts of the keyboard. Somebody spilled soda on it. So, let's now start to take some of the keys off. There's all the dirt. Pulled out a couple keys. Here's just a single key showing how dirty it was. Another key. Showing the keyboard after I pulled out all the keys. It's probably a 3-hour restoration altogether. So here, as you can tell, I tore this thing apart because I needed to clean it. I unscrewed it so I could take the keyboard and literally take it off because it was like had soda and it was real hard to get all that stuff out, so took it off. If you're wondering why I did not remove the spacebar or the enter key, it's because, well, there's a little metal bar underneath, and I don't want to struggle trying to put that back on. That'd be kind of a pain to me. Here it is after I cleaned it. Then I'm putting the screws back in. I'm cleaning this screw because it had soda spilled on it. And a couple other screws as well. So here's the keyboard back together. I mean, it's screwed back together. So here's the backspace key. All clean. putting some of the keys back in, wiping the cable off. That was pretty gross. And I just kind of thought this would be funny. Ha. Insert. Can't really see it, but that's the insert key. So I was just like, ha. Because, you know, you put the key back in, so. There's the keyboard back together. This is a now shot. That's just a little bit of the paper towel dust. That can actually come out if you just blow that off. Because I wiped them off with paper towel. It's better. There it is, right back where it belongs. On my Dell Dimension 8400. And that's just a picture of my dog I took. You're laying outside. Well, there we go. Well, I guess that will be the end of this video. That actually was a pretty good thing. My keyboard is restored in a good condition. So, guess that will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.